Ho ho ho! Happy festival everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your cozy corner of creative crafting and festive inspiration. In today's video, we are diving to same beautiful and budget-friendly X-Mix decoration ideas that will make your home sparkle with holiday magic. Childrens will be happy you can crafting with them. X-Mix decoration ideas that will make your home sparkle. Whether you love rustic vibes, classic red and gold, or modern minimalism, I have got something for everyone. So grab your scissors, glue, and hot cup of cocoa and let's get crafting. Let's start with the entrance because nothing says welcome X-Max like a beautiful wreath on your front door. For this DIY, you will need to plain wreath base, some pine leaves, fairy lights, add some pine cones, ribbons, and ornaments. Start with wrapping the wreath base with greenery. You can use real pine branches or artificial ones. Next, add a few mini ornaments and pine cones for textures. Wrap a delicate string or fairy lights around it and finish it. So, decorate with twine mini pine branches, handmade tags. You can stamp that the paper snowflakes, designs, or white cute holiday message. Trust me, your gifts will look like they came straight out of a Pinterest board. And finally, the finishing touch that make your home feel truly festive. Hang string lights across windows around your picture frames. Add rose pillows with red, green, or plaid patterns. Light a cinnamon candle and play some soft X-Mix music in the background. Little details like these brings warmth, love, and joy to every corner of your home. Before you wrap up, tell me in the comments which of these X-Mix crafts are you going to try first? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any of our creativity holidays ideas. So, what's X-Mix about without beautifully wrapped gifts under the tree? Under the tree. And children to see that and very happy after see that. Let's set up a mini gift wrapping station. Use brown craft paper instead of shiny wrapping. It gives a natural cozy feel. Decorate with twine, mini pine branches and handmade tags. You can stamp the paper with snowflakes, designs, or write cute holiday messages. Trust me, your gifts will look like they came straight out of a Pinterest board. And finally, the finishing touches that make your home feel truly festive. Hang string lights across windows or around picture frames. Add throw pillows, hand red, green, or plaid patterns. Light a cinnamon candle and play some soft X-Mix music in the background. Little details like these brings warmth, love, and joy to every corner of your home. Before we wrap up, tell me in the comments which of these X-Mix crafts are you going to try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Wishing you a very happy festival, happy holiday. We are trying to bring amazing and unique designs. Now let's move to the star of the show, the X-Mix tree. This year, try mixing natural textures with traditional ornaments. You can make handmade decorations useful felt, popsicle sticks, or clay. One idea I love is making mini photos ornaments. Print small pictures of your family or pets and frame them with cardboard or wood slices. Add twine to hang them and your tree becomes a gallery of memories. You can also make soft salt dough ornaments, mix flour, salt and water. Cut shapes, break them and bake them. And paint with acrylics. So simple yet so personal and so beautiful too. For warm rustic X-Mex vibe, let's make a simple table centerpiece. Use a wooden tray or an old plate. Arrange candles, pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and dried oranges inside. Add a few sprigs of pine leaves and maybe a touch of fake snow for that wintry charm. The scent of cinnamon and pine together is a perfect holiday mood booster. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for amazing response. Have a very nice and glorious day. Have a very nice and good day.